Hey, good morning guys. Someone requested if I can cook 60 chapati for them and some kuku ya kienyeji stew and samosa, and I think they're going to pick it today at 13. Let's see if I can make it. I'm already like feeling nervous, but I know it's all going to be okay. Just waking up. It's 6 a.m. right now. There's like full sun here, so yeah, let's see. First I'll start by chopping the chicken and then proceed into making the chapati dough. Now it is time to make chapati, and if you know me well, you know I'm going to add some carrots. I wanted to do like 30 chapatis carrots and 30 chapati pumpkins, but I forgot to use to buy pumpkins. And also I'm kind of curious. I told someone that I make 30 chapatis with 2 kg flour, and they were surprised. I mean, how many chapatis do you get when you use like 2 kg flour? Me, I can't get anything more. And I've also had other people saying they get 35 to 40 chapatis in a 2 kg flour. That is witchcraft. Tell us, how do you do that? Where? Today actually I've managed to get 32 chapatis in one packet, and that's a progress, eh? And this is the last chapati.
Najua unanitaka ni vile unagopa kusema. Najua unanitaka ni vile unagopa kusema. Nakutaka wewe jua hivyo.